Namaskar students, Informatics Practices Class 12, Unit 1 Data Handling using Pandas and Data Visualization. The topic is data frame operations, delete columns from data frame. Before starting this video, let me revise something. In previous video, we have seen how to delete rows from data frame. If you missed that video, then that video you will get in I button, and I will provide you link in description also, so you watch that one. Now let me start this video. In this video I will cover delete columns from data frame. So the drop method is there. It is used to delete rows or columns, whatever you want to delete. So there are certain methods we will follow to delete particular column or list of columns. So let me begin. Myself Sanjay Parmar. I welcome you all in tutorial AICS IP, where our series is going on data frame operations. So first of all, when you want to delete column, so first method is delete columns using column name or label. So syntax is like this: df.drop, then provide here column name and axis equal to 1. See why we are providing axis here? To identify the column in your data frame. If you do not provide axis equal to 1, then it will not delete by using this method. So provide axis equal to 1, that is axis 1 is for column, and column name, whatever column name you want to delete. So let me do it practically here. So I have created one data frame here. Here some names I have provided. Now English, Physics, Chemistry, Bio and IP, 5 subjects marks I have taken of 5 students. So now let me check what is the output of this data frame. It is properly created or not. Then we will go for the deletion. Okay, df operations. Let me print it. Print df. So the program is error free. Now we can check. Okay, this by mistake I have written. Okay. So see, this is the output. Now I want to delete particular column, suppose physics. So whenever we are using this one, df.drop column name axis equal to 1. So here we will provide print df.drop. Directly we are printing that after deleting. Drop first column. As I said, which column I want to delete? Physics. Here you have to give the same name whatever used here. P capital. It is very case sensitive. Equal to, okay, equal to is not used here. Axis equal to 1. So here you can write axis. Now let me check. So here you can see the physics column is deleted. The next method is df.drop call 1, call 2 and axis. Whenever you want to delete multiple columns. So it is similar like this, but here you have to provide square bracket for the list of columns. Physics and IP I want to delete. So physics and IP. Now check the output F5, and here you can see physics and IP remove from your data frame. So let's move ahead. Second option is delete columns using columns parameter. So now we can use columns parameter only as a parameter like this. Okay, so only one parameter is there for drop method, that is columns. So let me start how to do it. Print df.drop columns equal to, first we will delete single column, columns equal to column name. Now column name is, suppose I want to delete IP only. So I have written IP. And here you can see IP column is removed. Similarly, whenever you want to use multiple columns, provide like this: call 1, call 2. So here we will write call 1, call 2. So call 1 is already given, columns equal to IP and columns equal to biology. Let me change the order. I have not given in the specific order whichever given while creation of database. I have just used this one. First IP is used, then biology. Let me check what happens. See, it is showing one error. position argument follows keyword argument. Okay, let me check. Yes, so here we have to provide a list first. Okay, so it is done. So column order does not matter whenever you are writing df.drop methods columns equal to. Okay, the next method is delete column using columns index list. So now here columns index you have to provide like this, df.drop df.columns, this method, and this one is very different. See here df.columns word is used whenever you are giving index. Now idx1 idx2 axis equal to 1. So here you have to provide like this, index 1 index 2. So let me do this one, df.drop and here df.columns. Now when you are using df.columns, provide the nested list of the index. So here nested list of the index. First index I want to delete 1 0 1 2. So 1 and 3 means this is 0 index of column name, this is 1 index of column English, this is 2 index, this is 3rd index, this is 4th, and this is 5th. So like that, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So I have given 1 and 3. So 1 means this one and 3 means this one. So English and chemistry should be deleted. Now provide this axis equal to 1. So provide 1 comma and axis equal to 1. Let's check the output. Okay, invalid syntax. Yeah, 1 bracket is missing here. Okay, now let me check. See, so this 1 and 3 column is deleted. So like that you can use, and if you want to ignore this axis equal to 1 here in this method, you can use, but you have to write like this. So here it is little bit different. In columns we are providing this method. So let me try, df.drop columns equal to df.columns. So these are such methods you can use for deleting. Now see, I am just changing the column index. First is 2 and second is 4. So 2 means 0 1 2 physics, and 3 4 physics and biology should be removed. See, physics and biology is removed from the data frame. So like that you can use. Now the last one is delete rows and columns together. We have already covered how to delete rows, but if you want to delete both together, you can use this method. So here in this method you will see df.drop index equal to idx1 idx2 idx3 and columns equal to col1 col2. So like this you can provide. So let me write the same thing. First df.drop, then df.drop index. So first part is your row, number of row, which number of rows you want to delete. So that number of rows you have to provide like this with index. So here rows index are like this. This is 0, this one. Then after that Gayatri 79, 78, 74, 85, 93, 1. Then this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So this we have to provide. So I want to provide here index equal to, first I want to delete 0, then I want to delete 2, then I want to delete 3. These 3 rows I want to delete. So I have provided 0. 0 means the first one, 2 means this one, and 3 means this one. So now only remaining data is there for 2 rows, this and this. Now let me provide column names. So columns, whatever columns you want to delete, columns equal to col1 col2. Now I don't want to display the marks of physics and IP. So columns equal to, and provide the value in this bracket, square bracket. So here we will write square bracket, columns. Now columns, first column I want to delete, that is physics. So let me try with physics. Here you can provide column 1 and column 2. So names you can provide. So column 1 I want to delete physics. We will try with index also, physics and IP. So let me check. Okay, columns is an invalid keyword argument. Okay, let me check. It is columns. Any spelling mistake is there? COLUMNS. It is correct. Now let me try with index. I think it requires index only. So column 2 and 5. But it's showing there. Yes, columns is an invalid keyword argument for print. Okay, so any mistake is there in print? df index, this bracket is completed over here. Yes, I think one bracket is required. Yes, let me check the, yeah, I have closed one bracket here, that's why this bracket needs to be closed at last. Okay, 2 5 not in axis. Okay, so again that column name we will try, physics and IP. So here it is not accepting indexes, I think. See, here it is deleted. So like this you can delete the row numbers, whatever we have provided, that is deleted along with the column. So I hope you understood the concept. If you understood the concept, then do the practice. I will provide you questions in my blog, so that link you will get in description. So do from that and comment your doubts. Please press the like button if you like my videos, and if you are watching my channel first time, coming to my channel first time, watching my video first time, subscribe it and press the bell notification icon to get more relevant videos in your notification. So we will meet again in new video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.